Lead safety for renovation, repair, and painting. The module overview, course agenda, course manual, what you will learn, and what this course is all about. Course agenda. We will go to the introduction, then on to Module 1, why should I be concerned about lead paint? Module 2, regulations. Module 3, before beginning work. Module 4, contain dust during work. Module 5, during the work. Module 6, cleaning activities and checking your work. Module 7, record keeping. Module 8, training non-certified renovation workers. We will have breaks in between the modules, lunch about midday. At the end of the day, we will have a review before taking the final test. Training manual overview. 8 modules, interactive and hands-on exercises, in 11 skill sets. What you will learn. Why lead-based paint is a problem during renovations. What the EPA and HUD regulations require of certified firms, such as the companies that you work for, and certified renovators, what you will become after successfully passing this class today. How to determine if lead-based paint affects work. How to begin the work. How to set up the work area to contain dust. How to work in a lead-safe manner. How to clean the work area and verify cleanliness. How to dispose of waste safely. How to document your work. This course meets EPA and HUD requirements, produces EPA-certified renovators, demonstrates your commitment to safety, but it is not an abatement course. It does not satisfy OSHA training requirements, and it may not satisfy state, local, or tribal training requirements.